Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Black Shark 5 Pro smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can set Opera as the default browser on this device. So first of all, open up the settings app. In here you want to find the apps category that looks just like so. At the apps category, I'll go straight for the manage apps section. In here at the top right corner you'll see the 3 vertical dots which you want to tap on. Go for the default apps option, and at the default apps page expand the browser section. In here simply tap on Opera, and that would essentially mean that you have successfully made Opera the default app for browsing on this device. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.